Bro, where are you?
Huh.
Oh yeah, it's the Freddy Fazbear.
How is it working? I don't know.
Bro, just happened here. You defeat.
Wait, we beat it, Freddy Fazbear. And
Bro,
now
look at the side.
you defeated me.
Oh yeah, let's go. What happened to Joey?
I think he's inside the window. Oh no, let's go. Okay.
Hey, we'll
just stop. Okay, there. Freddy Fazbear Part 2. Okay, no.
Okay, we're here again.
Let's check.
Oh, there's a new animatronic. This is good.
Already good. Where's Foxy? It's over here, T.
What is... where is he?
Close. Bro, I didn't see here. Bro, I didn't see in the other camera. Okay. Fish.
Bro, what is this?
Put it back. Okay, there you go. Now it's dead.
Bro, what is this door?
Oh, what? Crowbar? Wait, we can use for here. Now wait, huh? This what we. Okay, what is it?
Wait a second, see over here.
Hey.
Yeah. Okay, what's over here?
Okay, this one. No.
Is this a gas tank?
This the gas.
And what is this door below?
Open.
Wait, I think I saw something over here.
Bro, we need gas to open the box. Wait.
Cut. Okay, let's open.
Okay. Fast.
I got the gas tank.
That's the gas tank. We need. Okay, come on.
Oh no.
Bro, we need to hide.
Hello.
I'm gonna hide here.
Oh yeah.
Kill him with the. Okay.
Wait, let's go.
We defeated it.
Oh wait, the plank. Wait.
Oh no, it's getting nighttime. This is gonna be scary.
Hey.
There you go. We escaped.
Yes.
Freddy Fazbear or